everyone! Welcome back to Menchie's Art and Hobbies. Today, we're going to make another resin photo art. It is a fridge magnet. And for the first time, we'll be using this self-adhesive laminating sheet instead of laminating it. And before, we're using the Tacky Glue. But this time, we will try this one. We'll see how it works. And for today, I am making this for one of our subscribers, Lovely, and her daughter, Ashley. Lovely is residing here in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, while Ashley is in Pagbilao, Quezon, Philippines. So, hello to all Pagbilawins. Hello also to all Quezonians and all the Filipinos watching everywhere. And also all our viewers and subscribers everywhere. And by the way, guys, this is a special moment for me to thank you, all my subscribers, because right now we have over 360 subscribers now at this point in time. And I would like to say thank you very much for subscribing, and I hope that you continue watching, and all the other ones there who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. All you have to do is click the subscribe button below. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. I hope that you continue to support my channel. All my subscribers in Canada, in the Philippines, in USA, in Hong Kong, in Saudi Arabia, where else, in Italy, in Israel, and everywhere. Thank you very much. And I hope you continue to support my channel. So, without much further ado, let's make our photo art a fridge magnet. Like this one for Lovely and Ashley. So come on. Let's go. Time, and let's see how it looks. Okay, looks nice. Let's see the picture. So this is how it will go. Looks nice, right? We are going to laminate this picture, so let's put this aside. And as what I told you, this will be our first time to use this FELLOWS self-adhesive laminating sheets. And this is how it looks. So this is a plastic, and there's just a backing of this one. There's a backing of hard paper. Okay, I already cut a small piece, which is just enough for Lovely and Ashley. What's gonna happen is the plastic will stick on this part. If you want to check out this FELLOWS self-adhesive laminating sheet, just go to Amazon.com. Okay, so let's do this. So first, we are going to remove the backing. And we're just going to use the plastic like that. Okay, so I will position it like this. I hope you can see it clearly. And now we need to stick this here properly without any air in between, because if there will be air, it's not gonna look good. So I'm gonna use this pencil to roll it. Okay, so put it there, and then okay, let's put the pencil, and then hey, the pencil, it's sticking. Okay, so the pencil is not working. Maybe we just use our fingers to slowly stick it there without any air in between. Okay, slowly without any air in between. Stick it properly. Okay, let's see. Hello. Okay. It looks good. No, but here we have to flatten this side. Hello. Okay. Looks good. Now we need to flatten it more, because there's a little bit more of it has to stick very well. Okay, looks good now. Okay, the next thing that you will do is cut it around with just a little bit of allowance here in the side, because this little bit of allowance has to stick in the base. Okay, so let's do it. Just run your nail here in the sides. Make sure that it's sticking properly. Okay, so it's now time to decorate our photo. These are nail art from Amazon. It looks like this. These are these ones, and this one's too. Gold. Okay, it's very rich in gold. You don't see the glue anymore. Everything is dried, and the tacky glue, when it's dried, it's transparent. Okay, so looks good. We're going to pour the clear resin. Here I already mixed our resin, which has been sitting for maybe 8 minutes, and I can start pouring it. let us see our finished product using the self-adhesive laminating sheet that we used in this photo art. It works very well. The only thing that I could say is you can see a little bit of the plastic at the edges. Not very much if it's far away, but if you look closely, yeah, you can see it. But of course, you expect it to be laminated. Okay, so yeah, I like it. It works very well. Okay, the only thing left to do now is to polish a little bit the sides so that there will be no sharp edges. We're going to put our magnet. This is XBet magnet that I bought from Amazon. They are squares like this. It's very strong. The magnet is very strong. I'm going to cut this into two. One of this can lift about 10 grams. So for sure this will be around 40 grams. So I need 4 of this. Okay, so thank you very much guys for watching. I hope you liked our video today about the photo art, a fridge magnet using a self-adhesive laminating sheet. If you liked our video, please subscribe, like, and share. And you can put down some comment if you have for me to know what's in your mind. And if you have a better idea of laminating your photo before putting into resin, please give me some comment down below. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.